Melio Payment tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Melio Payment. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Melio Payment, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Melio Payment, it is a free accounts payable and receivable solution that enables businesses to pay and get paid exactly how they want. With Melio, you can pay vendors via ACH bank transfer, credit or debit card, or international bank transfer even if the vendor only accepts checks. And vendors can receive payments via direct deposit or check in the mail without needing to sign up for Melio. And to pay a bill with Melio, you can also upload an invoice by taking a photo or entering details manually. And you can then choose your preferred payment method and the date to send the payment. And now to sign up, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Start Now button. Then you will be directed on this page where you can sign up using your Google account, Intuit account, and even by filling out all of this required information below, such as your company email and also your password. Then you will be directed in here, in which all you need to do is to simply answer all of these questions, which is to tell who you are. I'm going to choose this business since I'm using this application or platform for business. And by clicking continue button below, you'll be able to be directed on the next step, in which from here, all you need to do from here is to simply enter or fill out all of this required information such as your first name, last name, birthday, and also your mobile number. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter what's the name of your company. And after that, you're also required here to enter the company address. For instance, I'm going to enter here, New York, in which by clicking or entering New York, it will show you below the corresponding result. And just proceed by clicking continue button to proceed. And after that, you will now be able to be directed on this page, in which the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter the kind of industry your company in, or your industry your company operate in. So for instance, we're going to enter here food, and it will show us below the result, so you can simply click on it and click the continue button to proceed, and choose the estimated monthly bill payment volume, and just click the continue button to proceed. And now to be directed on our dashboard, just click this go to dashboard, then we'll now be able to be directed in here. And from here, it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that we can start navigating with here: pay, get paid, customers, settings, and many more. And under this pay section or option, this will serve as a streamline the payment process for businesses, allowing them to pay the vendors in a flexible and efficient manner. So as you can see in here, you can add your first vendor and just click this add selected vendors button below in order to proceed adding the vendor suggestion. And after that, from here, it will show you the list of your vendors in here. So basically, this feature enables users to choose how and when they make payments, utilizing various methods such as ACH, bank transfers, credit cards, or checks. So from here, let's start again by adding a vendor by clicking this add vendor on the top right corner. We'll be directed in here, in which all you need to do is to simply enter here the vendor business name, the vendor contact name, the email address, and also the phone number, but that is just only an optional. So for instance, I'm going to enter here lab.org as the vendor business name, while for the vendor contact name, I'm going to enter here Laura M. Then just click the continue button below to proceed. And after that, from here, it will show you how would you like this lab.org to receive payments. You can choose here bank transfer or ACH with free charge, while paper check has 1.50 fees, while for international, which is USD transfer, it has $20 fees. So you can choose what kind of payment method that you prefer, or you could also skip this one. And now from here, you'll now be able to see that we have now successfully added a new vendor in here. And now by clicking this bill section, it will show you in here that you could simply add here a bills, or import a bills, or create a bill manually. By clicking this create a bill, you'll now be able to be directed in here, in which all you need to do is that you can simply fill out all of these details, including the vendor business name and also the amount in here. You could also upload an invoice files such as PDF, JPG, and JPEG depending on your preferences. And now to proceed, just click this continue to pay or save and close. And by clicking save and close, we will now be able to see here that we've now successfully added our first bill in this vendor, which is named Gans, and it is now part of the list in our bill section. You could also navigate here the approvals and payments once all of the bills has now been paid. Now moving on, aside from that, you could also navigate on the left side panel, this Get Paid section by simply clicking on it. We will be able to be directed in here, in which it serves to streamline the processes of receiving payments from other businesses, and this feature allows users to create a customizable and secure payment page enabling customers to pay invoices quickly and easily. So from here, you could also import a report in here by clicking this icon to export the payment reports. And now by clicking this button, Start Getting Paid, it will show us in here that all you need to do to start getting paid is to simply customize your company URL in here and click the Continue button below to proceed. And after that, you'd also add here your business logo and also your company legal details in here, in which you are required to enter your employer identification number to proceed. But going back on this page right here, aside from that, we could also navigate on the left side panel, this Customers, in which this option serves to facilitate the process of receiving payments from clients. And from here, to start adding new customers, just click this Add Customers button right here. And after that, all you need to do from here is to simply fill out these customer details, including the company name, the contact's full name, email address, and also phone number, but that is just only an optional. For example, I'm going to enter here the company of Amazon and the contact's full name is Jeff Bezos. Then just proceed by clicking Add Customer button below. Then you'll now be able to see that you have now successfully added a new customer in here. Moving on, aside from that, we could also navigate on the left side panel this Settings option. By simply clicking on it, we'll be able to be directed on this page. And from here, we can navigate these profile settings, company settings, collaborators, and many more. And for instance, by clicking these collaborators right here, will automatically show us on the right side panel that we can add here more people in our company workspace by simply filling out all of this required information and also choose their role on this company's workspace. And aside from that, we could also navigate here this email notifications and also payment methods. By clicking this one, it will show us that we can manage our bank accounts in here. By clicking this Add under bank accounts, we will automatically be directed in here, in which you can connect your bank account using some of the option in here. Let's say I'm going to click Connect Your Account Instantly. Then we will automatically be directed on this page. Then just click the Continue button below to proceed. Then it will show in here that all you need to do is to simply enter your phone number, or you could also continue as a guest. And after that, the next thing that you need to do from here is to simply select your institution or your bank account that you need to sign in or to link your account in order to connect on this platform. For instance, I'm going to choose this bank account called Citibank by clicking this one. From here, it will show us that we need to use the captcha below to proceed. And after that, all we need to do from here is to simply log in our account in Citibank Online in order to start linking on this platform. Or alternatively, you could also link your debit card or credit card in here. So basically, businesses can efficiently handle invoices, track payment by using Melio, and automate payment schedules, which enables cash flow management. So overall, that is just basically how you can use Melio Payment. Thank you.